Morning, so back off to Spring Hill at Mary. Be my last day there, I think. So got some more clay to dig out. Truck's coming with another load of metal. See if we can smash out a whole heap before the rain comes. It is looking a bit overcast, but hopefully we're alright. So I got my coffee and my marbles and we'll head off there. So what I'm doing here is I'm just having a look. I got a bit of movement in the pin, so we just popped it out to see where the flat spots were and what might be involved in actually remedying it so it doesn't move around so much. So it ended up not being too bad, just a couple of flat spots because the grease doesn't really go uphill that well. So when I get a chance, maybe later on in the summer or end of the year, might get it sorted. So apart from that, I'll keep going. Alright, not so windy here today. Mary. Sort of building up the edge of the, oh hello Poe. Building up the edge of this outside where the house line is. It's a bit low, and then we'll start putting clay over the edge. Got a track going down the side. So if you had a track roll it in, so it's basically keying it into the side of the clay batter, and yeah, so we're building up. You can see where the truck's tipped off. Build this area up first because the truck's going to be driving on it a lot, and that'll help compact it as we go, instead of spending all that time trying to do it. I don't have, well, I've still got quite a bit of clay. I don't have far to go, but it's probably the greatest amount actually compared to what I've already done. So I actually thought this morning that it was going to rain, but we held off so far. So it might be a good hump day. Wednesday hump day. I actually thought about bringing my dig-in bucket. I probably should have, but couldn't be bothered moving vehicles. started at a reasonable time. Yesterday I don't think I started at about 10:15. And the truck was a little while after that, so today's our last day here. And we're just going to pull out this digger. My digger's going to leave, go to another job, another few jobs, and Poe's got a few jobs to do as well. And his little digger. This week's actually ended up drier than we originally thought. I thought it was going to rain most of the week, but it hasn't so far, so it's been good. Maybe the season's turning finally. It's been pretty cold at home. Still light the fire the odd day and running the heater. It's mid-September and it's like, by the time I'm recording this video's mid-September. Probably come out in October. Well, at some stage. Probably mid-October. So I wonder what today's topic on talkback's going to be. As the sun's eased off a little bit, so we are winning, which is the goal. Been able to close my door again actually because the sun's not beating through and it's cooled down a little bit, so it's quite good. Not missing my sunglasses yet. So I've got hose down the bottom. We're putting clay in. Down the bottom, from the bottom, building our way up. We'll just swing it around. This area is down there, just tipping off on the edge there. So it's just tidying it up as he goes, putting some topsoil over it. Happy days. So far. I can get out and stretch my legs again at some stage, I think. My butt cheeks fall asleep a little bit. Stretch your legs, good for your health, good for your joints. It's a smaller machine, there's not as much leg room as the machine I used to operate. I can't stretch my legs out as well. It's being over 6 foot. Bit of a pain. So I'd get out and go for a bit of a walk. I'll walk around. I don't even know if you see what Poe's been doing down there. toot toot, and then I'll have a bit of a walk and have a nosy. I'm getting hungrier, getting close to lunchtime. This morning's topic on Talkback's an interesting one about the lack of natural gas, the whole drama with the last government stopping exploration. Now we're going to have a real issue with gas supply in the coming future, immediate-ish future, and how much it's going to cost for, you know, it wasn't that long ago they're pushing everyone to put, oh, you know, gas ovens and gas hot water and all that sort of stuff, and now when the squeeze goes on and it gets more expensive, all these people are going to have to cough out all this money to change things. The problem is, I feel there hasn't really been enough done as an alternative. What's the plan B? It's just, I feel short-sightedness really. But that was the topic anyway, I'm not going to get into it. People like that, people have got good arguments on both sides I suppose, but not even a plan B, I don't care what side you're on. Not even a plan. It's ridiculous. Anyhow. Quite enjoyed this drive so far. Shame it's coming to an end for me today. We go back to the cookie cutter house sites. Oh well, what are you going to do? I've had fun though, it's been a nice change. You sit up the top of a hill, see the mighty Waikato River. Working with a couple of work colleagues, so you're not all lonely all by yourself. There was talk about us shooting off at lunchtime and having lunch, but we'll see what happens. Pose down there playing. Good machine that Komatsu. Bit disappointed today. Forgot the sausages. What, the brand tomato sauce? No sausages. Bugger.
So you can upgrade your European holiday.
Unfortunately, the end of the video is coming up because some of my videos from this job were corrupted for some reason and I can't get them back. So unfortunately, we can't show you how this job ended up, but hopefully better luck on the next one. Unfortunately, this is the last video I've got, or part of the video I've got of this job. It's a shame to end it like this, because I did have a little bit more to show. I ended up redoing the driveway entrance and tidying up the topsoil and remetaling the entranceway. So yeah, quite a shame, unfortunately, but for some reason some of my videos were corrupted and I couldn't play, so it sort of left this half-finished, half-assed ending. So it's a shame, but we'll move on to the next video.